The all-electric Ioniq 5 is one impressive machine. After all, it was our 2022 EV of the year, but that isn't keeping Hyundai from cooking up a high-voltage N model for those who want maniacal performance. Like other gas-fired models from the company's N performance brand, the Ioniq 5N will deliver its thrills at a high-value price point. While it rides on the same platform as the Kia EV6 GT, it's not just a carbon copy with a Hyundai badge. The N division has done all of its own tuning to make its hottest electric SUV go, stop, and turn in its own distinct way. The Ioniq 5N's dual electric motors put out 601 horsepower normally, but, thanks to the N Grin Boost feature, they get an adrenaline injection that temporarily bumps power output to 641 ponies. Like other N models, the muscled-up Ioniq flaunts athletic hardware compared to its more pedestrian counterparts, including a large rear diffuser, larger wheels, stickier tires, big brakes, wider fenders, and a racier nosepiece. Our preliminary drive in a pre-production prototype left us excited to experience the finished product. The N is the new high-performance addition to the Ioniq 5 lineup and will arrive in March 2024 as a 2025 model. It features a host of go-fast enhancements over the regular Ioniq 5 with some similarities to the Kia EV6 GT. The Ioniq 5N is offered in a single trim, but Hyundai hasn't released information on pricing or optional features. We anticipate a $63,000 starting price, which would align with Kia's pricing for the EV6 GT model. We'll update this section as more information becomes available. All Ioniq 5Ns come with a dual-motor, all-wheel drive configuration that makes 601 horsepower, most of the time. When the N Grin Boost feature is used, the powertrain can spin itself up to a maximum of 641 horsepower temporarily. Its all-wheel drive system gives drivers the ability to distribute the bulk of that power to the front or rear wheels as desired. There's even a dedicated drift mode that inspires enough confidence to let you hang the tail out in lurid slides. 4 different modes, Eco, Normal, Sport, and N, adjust the steering weight, damping, and throttle sensitivity. To make the N feel more like a high-performance gas-powered car with a multi-speed automatic, Hyundai has programmed in a simulated gear shift feature that replicates the feel of a shift when you pull the steering wheel-mounted paddles. The system can be turned on and off. During our drive of a prototype, we found that the 5N does a commendable job of tracking straight during all-out launches and under hard ABS engagement on mixed traction surfaces. Those who've been inside the cabin of the regular Ioniq 5 will find the N's interior familiar, but Hyundai has added several performance-oriented features to heighten the experience. A set of aggressively bolstered front seats help hold you in place during high-speed cornering, and a unique steering wheel features buttons to access the SUV's drive modes, regenerative braking levels, and the N Grin Boost feature. We expect to see an identical amount of passenger and cargo space as the standard Ioniq 5, which held a maximum of 20 carry-on suitcases inside with the rear seats folded during our testing. Hyundai hasn't released specifics yet, but we can see from photos that the N model uses the same 12.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system and 12.0-inch digital gauge cluster as the regular model. We suspect that this means the N will also feature the same voice recognition software, as well as standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Hyundai provides one of the best warranty plans in the industry. Likewise, it comes with an impressive amount of complimentary scheduled maintenance. Limited warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 10 years or 100,000 miles. Battery is covered for 10 years or 100,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles.